Apollo.io lets you pinpoint leads associated with specific companies. Start by typing a company name, like Tesla Inc., into the search bar. The platform then compiles verified contacts linked to that organization, drawing data from public sources, social media, and its own databases. Once results appear, the next step is refining your search to find the most relevant leads for your needs. Make sure your business use case is clearly defined to maintain data accuracy and compliance. To narrow your search in Apollo.io, use the platform's comprehensive filters. These tools allow you to target specific leads based on various criteria. A key filter is job title. A key filter is seniority level, entry mid-executive. A key filter is department, marketing, engineering. A key filter is location. A key filter is intent signals. Advanced filters cover technographics, which identify the tools and technologies companies use, such as Slack. Firmographics focus on company characteristics, including size measured by employee count and annual revenue. Once filtered, export results in various formats like CSV or XLSX, or directly integrate with your CRM system. Free plans have export limits, while paid tiers allow bulk exports with additional data enrichment options like verified emails. The Smart Filters beta feature can automatically apply filters based on your past behavior, improving search efficiency.